Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove your pop socket from your case, and this is a piece of my case. I don't have anything on my case on, and I'm going to remove this and be putting it on here, but I'm going to show you what to do. So first off, hang on. You're going to need something to remove it with. And it will start to come off. And mine is actually sticky. So I am going to just stick it on. Since and I think that does look pretty even, but I'm going to just wait a minute until I think that it's dry. But normally when you take off your pop socket, it will be like not sticky. So you would take your faucet, you would take cold water, run it, then hot water, then run it. But I guess we didn't have to do that today. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will make another video after this if it stays on or if it comes off. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.